Hello friends, today we are going to start our new lesson actually as we have completed our 52 or 53% of the digital marketing season 2. So now the main focus is to see the content of your digital marketing surveys. So this is the main topic, we will help you about it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button and watch this video till end so that we can help you a lot. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As I told you, our topic is help your content be seen on digital marketing. So let's face it, creating good content can be time consuming, so you want to make sure as many people as possible enjoy it. In this lesson, we will look at different ways to promote your content, how to create a content marketing calendar, as well as ways to increase visibility through owned, earned, and paid channels. Did you know some bloggers recommend you spend as much time promoting your content as you do writing it? With so many people online at any one time, making sure you are promoting content well is essential to help it reach a larger audience for you. Imagine if Ryan, a pet toy store owner, just spent a lot of time and effort creating and entertaining content pieces about how to teach old dogs into new tricks. After all that work, he wants to make sure it will be seen as much of his target audience as possible, which is where promotion can help for him. For Ryan, the key to this content promotion strategy is understanding where his audience spends their online time. Is his audience on Pinterest or Instagram? Do his customers watch videos on YouTube or do they prefer to browse blogs? Understanding how his audience consumes content will help him get this way strategy right away. Before you start creating a content promotion plan, it's important to consider the channels available for you. Identifying channels by earned, and paid categories is a great place to start. For Ryan, earned refers to the marketing channels he manages, for example, his website, blog, and social media profiles. Promoting content over owned channel is a great starting point because it's typically flexible and low cost options. Earned channels refer to anything that picked by a third party, such as another pet care blogger that shares Ryan's content with them. Earned channels can boost the reach of content and add credibility. Finally, paid channels refer to promotion you pay for. This can allow you to target campaigns to a specific audience based on your goals and budgets. Ryan could invest in advertising his blog post over social media and reach more potential readers who regularly browse those channels with them. Once you know which channels to promote your content through, it's time to create a content calendar. A content calendar is a detailed timeline that organizes your content marketing activity. By clearly outlining what to publish and when, it can help make your content process consistent and efficient, as well as give everyone involved a clear action plan to follow. Here are some tips to get you started on your own content calendar for you. Make it achievable. Your content calendar should include realistic time frames. If it's not achievable, you will fall behind schedule and your content won't reach its full potential. Highlight key dates. Things like people holidays or relevant events are great for releasing seasonal content. Consider multiple channels for you. Think about how a variety of marketing channels such as blog and social media can work together to promote your content marketing campaign. Remember the audience. Clearly defines your audience at each stage of the calendar. If you segment your audience, specify which group you are targeting. Explore online tools. There's a variety of free and paid tools available to help you to create a calendar, publish content to social media accounts, or collaborate on content with your team, etc. These tools can save you time by automating some of the content creation and distribution process with you. Now that we have covered how to promote your content online, think about which channels would work best for your business or brand, and consider how a content calendar can maximize the effectiveness of your content marketing campaign as well. I hope you like this video. If you have any queries, just share your queries in the comments in a community tab as well. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel as well.